Alright, y'all, let's get into how I caught a 132% banger on the day. Discord. Boom. 140%, ended up going 160%. Some people got 200% returns on their investment. Go to that live signal call out right here. SPY 689 puts at everyone 7:36 a.m. But then it's about a 20-minute hold, literally a 20-minute hold for 160%. Easy win, easy day. Let me go and show you how I did that. Safari. So first live 60, we pushed absolutely up, we pushed up, and then I went ahead and I seen some potential failure on that 5-minute time frame right over here. Keep it real simple. I was actually, this is QQQ. IWM. Boom. I seen this failure on IWM, so I said, let me look at QQQ. Because I just caught a nice one on QQQ as well, and let me look at SPY, but eventually what I did was, the market is still going, was this 30-minute time frame. Today, here we go. 30-minute time frame. My entry was the low right here on this 30. Let's go to that 5. I see this failed directional right here. That was my sign to get inputs, essentially. We had a nice, pretty size run up on all the indices, a nice, clean run up. So this is what made me want to get inputs, and then I said, let me go to the bigger time frames. The 15-minute time frame also failed. Let me just go to replay trading so we can see this replay. Start new. Yeah. So boom, we have this pin bar right here. I like to use pin bars to go ahead and show a change in direction. We had that 5-minute failed 15 right here. Let's go to that 10-minute time frame. Again, another pin bar, change in direction. Boom. So I said if we can reach the low of this 30, I'm going to go ahead and short and get puts. So let's break that down how that happens, and this is how I called it out in my chat. Boom. Entered puts here. It went up a little bit. It was really not much drawdown. We pretty much battled between up 5%, down 3% before we finally just pushed down. Boom. And then right here was my first live, this level was on my 60-minute time frame when our 60-minute would go directional to the downside right here. And then, of course, the basic stop loss was right here, the high of these stop loss. A price target, excuse me. Price target right here at the nearest wicks. Boom, clustered highs. I did sell once I ended up just selling because we had a nice push down. And I sold with momentum on that wick up because we had a crazy wick up. So that's all I did here. Again, 5-minute time frame after a nice move, fell direction on the 5. 15-minute time frame, pin bar. 30-minute time frame, once we went direction to the downside, entry was here. I stayed in, although I was up like 120%, I stayed in to go ahead and catch this 60-minute directional drop because I knew that would push us even further, and I sold right around down here. And yeah, 130% on the day. Pretty easy. How do I go to search Discord? Some people got 200% gains. I got 160, probably got for like 140. But yeah, banger. That was my third trade of the day. That was trade 145 out of 149, I believe. Yeah, absolute banger. Any questions, let me know. Shoot me a DM, subscribe, follow, and let's make some fucking money. But again, that should be very easy. I'm going to write it down too. Failed 5 on the 30-minute time. Failed 5. Failed directional on the 5-minute time frame after a solid move across the indices. Entry on the 30-minute time frame. All right. Take profits. Was once the 60-minute time frame went directional. 160% banger for me. Again, some people do have screenshots of 200% returns on that setup. So yeah, any questions, let me know. Let's win. Discord again is Angel Precision.